If your Lucidchart canvas feels too small or you need a larger working area for a diagram, flowchart, or export, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to make the Lucidchart canvas bigger. I'll walk you through two simple methods, one for expanding the actual page size and another for zooming out so you can see more of your work at once. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's start with the first method, which is best if you want the physical page itself to be larger. This is the option you should use if your diagram is getting split across multiple pages or if you want more room for printing and exporting. In the top left corner of the Lucidchart canvas, click the More menu, which is the hamburger icon. From there, hover over File, then go to Settings and click Document Settings. Once the Document Settings panel opens, look to the left side and select Canvas and Page. This section controls the overall page setup for your diagram. Now, if Infinite Canvas is turned on, toggle it off. Turning this off allows Lucidchart to use a defined page size instead of an endless workspace. After that, you'll see options for paper size. You can choose a larger preset like A3, or if you need something very specific, select Custom and enter your own dimensions. This is a great option when you want your canvas to be bigger in a true page size sense, especially for presentations, exports, or printed diagrams. Once you pick the size you want, your Lucidchart document will update to match the new canvas settings. Now let's move to the second method. If your page size is already fine, but the workspace just feels cramped, the easiest fix is to zoom out. This doesn't change the page dimensions, but it makes the canvas feel bigger because you can see more content on screen at once. The fastest way to do that on a PC is to press Ctrl and the minus key. Each press zooms out a little more, giving you a wider view of your diagram. If you prefer using your mouse, hold Ctrl and scroll down on the mouse wheel to zoom out smoothly. You can also use the on-screen controls in the bottom right corner of the editor. Just click the minus icon there to reduce the zoom level. This is especially helpful if you're working on a large flowchart, org chart, or system diagram and want to see more structure without constantly panning around. So to recap, if you need the actual canvas to be bigger, go into Document Settings, turn off Infinite Canvas, and choose a larger page size or custom dimensions. If you just want more visible workspace, zoom out using Ctrl and minus, your mouse wheel, or the minus button in the editor. That's how to make the Lucidchart canvas bigger in the easiest way possible. If this video saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.